Now we are going to look at right, left and mid function. This function helps to pick or carve out certain values or text from any specific cell. Right function helps to pick the values or text from right side of the cell. In this case, we have credit card number and I need last 4 digit of the credit card number. To get that, equal right. So here we have two references. So one is text, choose this, comma, and the second one is number of characters. How many characters you want from the selected cell from right side. So I want 4. Close the bracket. So now you got the last 4 digit from the selected cell. Now let me copy paste. So now we got the last 4 digit for the selected credit card. Let's move to left function. Left function helps to pick the value or text from left side of the cell. So in this case, I have product ID and product name, and I want only the product code to be transferred to column B. So to get that, left, select the cell, the number of characters, the product ID is 6 digit. Let me enter 6. So I got the product ID. So let me copy paste this for other cells. So now I got the product ID separately in another column. Let's move on to mid function. Mid function helps to pick or carve out certain value or text from mid of the cell. In this case, I have product ID and product name. I want only product name to be shifted to column B. To get that, we are going to use mid function. You can also think since the product ID is in right side, why can't we directly use right function? So let me show you. Right function will not work in this case. Right, select the cells. So now here is the challenge. So how we have to give how many character we want from right side. So in this case, smart TV, it's 8 digit. Let me give 8. So here it is fine, but if I copy paste this down, if you see, we are getting a different result because it's picking 8 digit from all the cells. It won't work. So here, let me show using mid function how to pick only the name. First select the cell, comma, then the start number. So what is the start number for the product name? So we have a 6 digit code, then 2 space 1 hyphen. So 6 plus 2 plus 1, 9. So then the name is starting from 10 and number of character. So number of character you can give, I'll give 20 because it depends on the size you have. So now if you see, we got only the product name in column B. Let's move to next function.